everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose, and today's video I'm going to be doing my hair. If you're interested, go ahead and keep on watching. Alright y'all, so I have Expression Passion Twist hair. I got the color 2TB30 and 1B or 1, whichever one it is, but I'm pretty sure it's 1B. Yes, I'm showing them right now, but as you can see, I have some nails with some cute little butterflies on it. I'm gonna show you a close-up, but I needed to do my hair for school, and I had nails, and I didn't have somebody that could help me, so we just about to figure out how I'm gonna do that in this video. So this is just me showing you guys the stuff that I'm gonna need. Alright y'all, so this is the part that I was like basically the main part of the video. So as you can see, I have these little 3D decal butterflies on my nails, and I'm trying to figure out what is the best way that I can do my hair without hurting myself with these decals. So I went in with some tape and thought like, oh, okay, that's cool. This is me showing you guys my nails. Isn't it so cute or whatever? I really like that set. So that's why I didn't want to take it off just to do my hair. So I was trying to figure out what to do. So I'm putting tape around it, like on the base of my finger and on the nail, try to cover most of the nail. I didn't have much of an issue braiding with the nails, with the length of the nails, because that wasn't kind of hard. It just took me a little longer, but that wasn't like the main issue. The main issue was like the little butterflies on the nails. So I was trying to see like what to do and stuff like that to braid my hair. Oh yeah, I took my wig off. I had a wig on. So yeah, and then I was like, okay, the tape worked for a little bit, but then it kept getting stuck. It kept pulling on my hair and stuff like that. So I'm like, this is the same thing as having the just the little butterflies on my hands not covered. So I went in with boob tape, guys. I used my boob tape. Yeah. And oh my goodness, I was like, this is like a stretch. Let's see where it goes. Let's see what it does. I went in, I used the boob tape, and it worked. Like water, I was like, so you see me spray water in my hair with the boob tape, it's not coming off. The only thing though was when I was using the pomade, the Indian hemp pomade, you could kind of like feel it getting a little loose. So every time I would put like grease in my hair, I would have to change it because the tape does come out with like oils and like grease and stuff like that. But I was using water, I was braiding, I was like doing all types of stuff, and it was not coming out. So I was like, this is really cool. And it's kind of like flexible, so it kind of goes around the entire butterfly design on my nail. Compared to the tape was kind of just like covering it, but that one literally went and like around the little because the butterfly had like two little tips. It went around that and it covered it really well. So yeah, it worked. It was really useful. This is what I was talking about, the Indian hemp pomade. So what I tried to do, I tried to not get it as much on my fingers with the butterflies. So yeah, this is me trying to like avoid my last fingers and stuff like that. So yeah, y'all, enjoy the rest of the braiding.
I know that you're drunk. Tell me what you want after this club. Know you next. Don't move around in my house, you call a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. First, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. You so in love, you wanna go tell me.
So this is me enjoying some good food. It was real hot, but it was good. And then it was the next day because I was exhausted. I had came from work and I was not done with my hair. So this is what I did. I just put a scarf on. And who would have known? Like, nobody knew that I didn't finish my hair. Like, literally, nobody knew. So, yeah, I was at work. I work at Ulta. And, like, I literally just went to work like that. It was a look. I was wearing all black. My scarf was black with my little orange shirt. It was part of my look. And nobody could even tell. And this is kind of like a little tip if you don't finish your hair and you're trying to like go somewhere or get somewhere, just put a scarf on top of it. Make it look cute or whatever. And yeah, just don't make it look like you were going to bed with a scarf. Like arrange it all nice and stuff. If you got like a bigger one, like wrap it around a few times or something like that. But yeah, really, really great tip. And then I was just able to continue my hair very, very normal. So some people, what they do, they braid around their head and then they put their hair up in a ponytail. I personally, I don't know, I don't really like that way because I like to like have control of the parting and what I'm doing. And I just feel like it's easier to like at least try to get halfway and then try to figure out a way to cover the top, because you can always wear a hat, you can wear a scarf, whichever. And it's very like, I don't know, I find it way easier to do that than to like put it up in a bun, because sometimes if your hairstyle is really tight and it kind of hurts, so you wouldn't even be able to put it in a bun, like, because it's gonna hurt. So I don't know, I just found that way was more simple. But yeah, this is just me showing y'all my braiding. And also I'm also left-handed and I have a twisting technique. I keep saying braiding, but it's really twist. I have a twisting technique on my channel that I posted a while back. I can add that to this video, link it to this video on how to twist your hair if you're left-handed, because the way that the curl pattern comes in the braiding pack is not very beneficial to left-handed. So yeah, if you're interested, you can watch that video as well. I know that you're drunk. Tell me what you want after this club. Know you next. Don't move around in my house, you call a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. First, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. You so in love, you wanna go tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, 'cause I had no idea. First, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. You so in love, you wanna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, 'cause I had no idea.
this one, yeah, yeah. I know that you're drunk. Tell me what you want after this club. Know you're nasty, Don't override at my house, you kinda taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your pivot, I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your pivot, I'm sliding. I'm on first, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. You so in love, you ain't gon' tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. First, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. You so in love, you ain't gon' tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea.
The process is pretty repetitive, but I basically finished my hair and I cut the end so it all like matched, and this was basically it. I finished that night, and this is the end result. I kind of forgot to film a landscape view, but this is the view from my TikTok video, so go ahead and follow me on TikTok at AllThingsRoseMetics. And yeah, this is basically it, y'all. I hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one.